Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I am working in my eclectic funky journal. I am going to be adding photos and doing different page spreads. So let's jump into it. How are you guys doing? I am good. I have to get my oil changed and my tires rotated today. So I wanted to get some quick journaling in. I can give you a quick peek of this journal, just so you can see what this one's about. This one is my bright, bold, chunky, eclectic journal. I would say it could be considered an art journal or whatever. But yeah, it's already getting very, very chunky. It's not even laying flat. If you have a tip for binding the journal where it lays more flat, I'm all ears. So anyways, I'm just going to be putzing in this journal, adding some detail. I have printed off some photos of my family, and I'm wanting to add some for some interest. So I thought I would do that today. I was gonna make a pocket. I kind of have a somewhat of an idea what I want to do here. Let's see, or at least for one thing on here. Oh, my glue is going crazy. So do you guys like bright and bold style journaling? I'd imagine if you're not new here, you probably do, because that's like what my whole channel is about. Is bright stuff. Is neon and bright, the better. So I made this journal a couple months ago. The cover is made from craft paper and just some paint that didn't get on there on purpose. It was like I had it down when I was painting something else. All right, so I have photos of my dad. My dad, I'm sure if you're not new here, my dad passed away unexpectedly last July. And so I had this idea of putting him on a popsicle stick, kind of like a pun. He's a pop, but not really, but I'm not sure if that's what I want to do yet. We'll see. And then I also had this idea to do photos along the border of a page. I might be doing that sometime soon, but let's see. I might add this one with washi. We'll see. So what I want to do here is put glue around it. Oops. Shoot. Because washi doesn't stick very well long term, so I always add a little bit of glue. You know, to reinforce it. I don't think I made that long enough. We'll do this one down here. Just do a little bit more. So I got a bunch of washi for Christmas from my mom, and I'm obsessed with washi. So I was thinking about doing a video on all the ways you can use washi, because I know tons of crafters have washi stockpiles, you know. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. I have this from a magazine. I'm from Michigan, so it says Michigandering, so I think I'm gonna put it on there. Cause why not? Cause this is my anything goes journal. So it's gonna have to sit like that for a sec. All right, so my dad was kind of involved in my junk journaling. I was just getting into it a little bit before he died, but funny story is I don't know, last summer, I wanted a crocodile to punch holes in my journal, and he was we went to a couple stores. He was dead set on finding one for me. And I said, let's just order one on Amazon. It'll get here, you know, a couple days. Oh no. We went to like Hobby Lobby, I don't know, Michael's. Still can't find the dang thing. He drove around. I bet we went to probably 4 stores, 3 or 4 stores. Finally found one. And I told him over and over, Dad, it's just, I can wait, you know, 2 days from Amazon. No. Gotta go get it. He's like, I want you to have it. I'm like, okay. As I journal, I do add more things. I don't necessarily have to have like a page that's considered complete the first time I do it. All right, let's do another adding of a photo because I want that to be the primary focus for this video. This thing is chunky. All right, let's do the dogs. Just trying to get this thing to pinch off. Go. Add the dogs there. I think I've never used photos in my journals until today. But I think it's a nice look. Let me see, where's my punch? Here it is. Have this little tiny heart. I can't find my bigger heart punch right now. Story of my life. Okay. Put Henry in here somewhere. Everyone knows Henry. How can you not? My dogs are so loud on camera. Every time I sit down to film, they suddenly need a million things. Dang children. All right. Oops, I didn't cut that very straight, but I'm okay with it. All right. Actually, I don't mind that there. Let me cut it a little bit. Actually, don't mind it there. I think I'm gonna do that. I was trying to spread the photos out throughout this journal, but I have a feeling I'll be adding plenty because I love them. I'm loving the look. Okay. I'm still not, I'm still wanting to, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm still kind of wanting to put him on a popsicle. So I'm going to do it. I just need, I just need this. I just think it's kind of funny. And it adds like another element. All right, it's going to have to dry. But what I'll end up doing with it, I'll have to find a pocket. Let's see. You know, it'll end up, I can't do it right now, but it'll go in a pocket. But I think it's totally cute. All right, let's see. We got Charlie girl here. Where should Charlie go? I want to try to fill up some of these pages at the beginning. Charles could go here. Oh, okay, so this is just in the pocket. I'll put Charlie right there. And then I'll give her some washi too. A little too much glue there, but whatever. Washi is such a great way to add prettiness, I guess, to a journal. I'm trying to get this started. I was talking about Charlie girl, now she's next to me. She's gonna say hi. Can you say hi? No, just breathe loud. Oh, you're gonna give a growl? Are you gonna give a growl, sis? Let's see. Got glue everywhere. Moment. Oops, I went right over her face. What, sissy? I gotta be quick because of art glitter glue dries very quickly. Hold on, sissy. She wants a cookie, but she's already had a bunch. I'll show you something cool that I made a while ago. I did. Okay, I'll trim that. I'll show you something cool I made a while ago. I do have a video and I'll link that below, but I'll show you in just a sec. Let me get her a cookie. Okay, let's do this. I'll show you the other thing I was talking about in just one sec. Remember we did these paper towels? I showed them on one of my videos. It'll be in my painty paper playlist. Either way, I can link it if I can't talk right now. So, so on oops, on this page I put "You're Always Missed." It has no. It is about my dad, but I don't have anything like you know, here for him. So I'm thinking I might add. I'm trying to think how I want to do this. I was thinking about doing like a flap where, you know, you can look underneath it. But I also don't know if I want to hide him. So I'm going to do it this way instead. It's not going to fit like that. Let's see. Got to think this through. Maybe you know what, I'll use a different picture. Yep, I'm gonna use a different picture because I need one that's, you know what I mean, fits this size. All right. Yeah, it says painty or dyed. It's not paint, it's stamped stuff. Dyed paper towel. And then I'm going to put this on there. My dad and I were very close. It was like losing half of my soul when he died. So I really jumped into art journaling and junk journaling because it's like, it keeps me mostly sane, I guess. I think this paper towel is a 2-ply, so I might have to throw a little glue under here, but the glue might soak through, it'll be fine. I'll play it by ear. I don't want to put tons of glue on it right now. If it lifts, yeah, I'll add some. Let's grab might just do some, yeah. Just add a little doodle. Oh, I'm smearing it. Okay. Kind of cute. I don't know. And then once his his popsicle stick, it won't go in here, but I just want to show it in a pocket. I'm gonna tuck it right here. He can sit there for a minute. It's not where he'll go, but that's just where he's going right now. I thought about, I've done this before. I put it into a thing right here. That might work. I just have to make a different, let's see, a different tighter tab, like, and a little, it might stay like that. I don't like it sticking out like that though. So anyway, I'm just gonna tuck him in here. Doesn't matter. So let me know if you would like a little flip through of this journal. Of course, it's not even close to done. I just like putzing in it as I I don't know, use scraps, do artwork. It's like it's my favorite journal to work in because it's just so whatever. I have a picture of my mom that I was gonna put on here too, so I might put her right there. Well, her and I. This picture's really not new. I used to live in Arizona. This is when we went to Sedona. She came out to visit me. This is at least 12 years ago, I'd say. Okay. The only thing that needs now is a little bit of washi, because I think washi's the best. Maybe I won't do washi on that one, actually. I might just, oh, I don't know. I hope I don't regret this. Well, so far it's all right. I was just gonna give it a border by doodling it on. Kind of hard to do that part, but it's fine. It works. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to wrap it up. I get to get ready to have my tires rotated and oil change. Not looking forward to that at all. I was going to add something else to this, but what I was going to show you guys. Let me move this. I made, these are paper charms. I have a video on how to make them. They're so easy and cute. So I'll link that in this description if you're curious on how to make them. You can make them in any shape. Oops. There goes my glue. All right. Let's add one to this journal real quick. Just need to grab an eyelet. All right. Let's find a good spot. How about one right here? I use my hole punch when I do eyelets. I just do. It makes a better hole. Okay, now, if you're unfamiliar, this is called a crocodile, and it's what puts these eyelets in. Oops, these eyelets in. Like, I'm struggling here, but I'll get it. Nope. There we go. I think I got it this time. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna do. Oh, it looks like I punched the next page, but, and then you just use a ball pen, of course. Oops. Got came undone. I don't know why I can't do this today. All right. So then it just, you got a nice little flower dangle, and it looks so cute hanging off. I usually put a few down the page. But I'll spare you that for today. But you get the point. Anyway, guys, have a nice day and weekend, and I'll see you later. Bye.